Thank you, Speaker, sir, for allowing me to ask a few questions to the Honorable Home Minister and the concerned authorities on a very sensitive matter that concerns not just Kerala but other southern states as well. Speaker, sir, the last 5 years, Kerala has repeatedly witnessed landslides which have taken the lives of hundreds of innocent people. In July 2022, Ministry of Earth Sciences told the Lok Sabha that Kerala witnesses the maximum amount of landslides in the country, that up to 60% of the landslides that have taken place in the country the last 5 years, most are happening in Kerala. I want to know, what is the central government and what is the state government doing as a long-term measure to address this issue? In just the last 5 years, more than 350 deaths have taken place in Kerala, just around the area of Wayanad and other regions where this has happened. Even this very year, Speaker, sir, in January, IIT Delhi conducted a survey, and they said that this district of Wayanad falls under the high to very high risk category. And in 2013 and 2011, two panel reports conducted a detailed assessment, and thereafter they made recommendations on what the state government has to do. But no illegal encroachments were removed, no action was taken to remove the construction activities taking place, reduce the mining that is taking place in these areas. Speaker, sir, I also want to ask, this is a very important issue. In 2020, the Kerala State Disaster Management Authority said, Speaker, sir, in 2020, Kerala State Disaster Management Authority advised relocating 4,000 families from landslide-prone areas in Wayanad. Till today, no action was taken, and the MP representing Wayanad did not even raise this issue till today. Speaker, sir, I also want to ask you a very, very important issue, Speaker, sir.
Please, Minister, conclude karo.
Speaker, sir, I just want to take. Speaker, sir, I have last question. Speaker, sir, in 2021, इसके पीछे का कारण मैं बताना चाहता हूं, अध्यक्ष जी। 2021 में केरला लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली में केरला के फॉरेस्ट मिनिस्टर के राजू जी ने ये एडमिट किए कि हम वहां से एनक्रोचमेंट को, इलीगल एनक्रोचमेंट को इसलिए नहीं उठा पा रहे हैं क्योंकि रिलीजियस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से हमें प्रेशर है।
Okay.
Kerala's forest minister in the assembly admits that we are unable to remove illegal encroachment because we have pressure from various religious organizations. अध्यक्ष जी, मेरा लास्ट में आपके क्वेश्चन। अध्यक्ष जी, कांग्रेस के एक एमपी, कांग्रेस के एमपी पीटी थॉमस जी ने इसी इश्यू को इससे पहले उठाया था, और कांग्रेस पार्टी ने क्या किया? दूसरी बार पीटी थॉमस जी को टिकट ही नहीं दिया, और आज सिर्फ वायनाड और वायनाड के आसपास के वोट बैंक पॉलिटिक्स के वजह से ये एनक्रोचमेंट को ये लोग नहीं हटा रहे हैं। सर, इन द लास्ट 1800 days since Rahul Gandhi is the MP from Wayanad, he has not raised the issue of landslides and floods of Wayanad even once in the assembly and in the parliament. और जिस पार्टी ने पीटी थॉमस जी को, जिन्होंने उन्हीं के पार्टी से थे और उन्हीं के पार्टी के होने के वजह से भी इस इश्यू को उठाया, उनको